Nestled in the heart of Cupertino, California, Apple Park stands as a testament to innovation, design, and sustainability. Dubbed the spaceship for its striking circular shape, this architectural marvel is the headquarters of Apple Inc., embodying the visionary ethos of its late co-founder Steve Jobs. Designed by the acclaimed architect Norman Foster, Apple Park seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology with the tranquility of nature, creating an unparalleled workplace environment. Spanning an impressive 360 acres, Apple Park serves as a home for approximately 12,000 employees. Its design revolves around the concept of bringing the outdoors inside, boasting an astonishing 80% green space adorned with over 9,000 native trees. This lush landscape not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also promotes environmental sustainability and employee well-being. One of the most remarkable aspects of Apple Park is its commitment to eco-friendly practices. The campus is equipped with state-of-the-art solar panels which generate renewable energy to power its operations. Additionally, innovative ventilation systems harness natural airflow, reducing the need for artificial cooling and heating. Such initiatives underscore Apple's dedication to minimizing its ecological footprint while setting a benchmark for sustainable architecture. Within the confines of this visionary campus, the Steve Jobs Theater stands as a beacon of creativity and inspiration. Here, Apple unveils its latest breakthroughs into the world, continuing the legacy of its visionary founder. Moreover, communal pod spaces scattered throughout the campus foster collaboration and creativity among employees, encouraging spontaneous interactions and idea exchange. Beyond its functional spaces, Apple Park is a sanctuary for holistic well-being. The campus features multiple cafes serving nutritious fare, wellness centers promoting physical and mental health, and serene walking paths encouraging moments of reflection amidst the bustling environment. The core of a great workplace lies not only in its mission and vision, but also in the tangible elements that shape the daily experiences of its employees. A well-designed workplace facility serves as the backbone of organizational culture, promoting collaboration, creativity, and well-being among its workforce. Central to the concept of exceptional workplace facilities is the provision of amenities that cater to both individual and collaborative work dynamics. From ergonomic workstations equipped with cutting-edge technology to versatile meeting rooms and communal areas designed for brainstorming sessions, a diverse array of spaces is essential to accommodate the multifaceted needs of modern professionals. These facilities not only facilitate productivity, but also foster a sense of belonging and community among employees. In addition to space dedicated to work, prioritizing health and well-being is paramount. Wellness facilities such as gyms, meditation rooms, and outdoor recreational areas offer employees opportunities to recharge and rejuvenate, promoting physical and mental well-being. Moreover, access to nutritious food options through on-site cafes or vending machines supports a healthy lifestyle, ensuring that employees have the fuel they need to perform at their best. Furthermore, efficient transportation infrastructure and ample parking facilities are indispensable components of a great workplace. Easy access to public transportation options or well-maintained parking lots reduces commuting stress and enhances employee satisfaction. Provisions for alternative modes of transportation, such as bike racks or electric vehicle charging stations, demonstrate a commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility, aligning with the values of the workforce. At the heart of Apple Park's architectural wonder lies a constellation of facilities meticulously designed to elevate both functionality and inspiration. Among these, the Steve Jobs Theater stands as a crown jewel, a beacon of innovation and creativity. With a seating capacity for 1,000 guests, the state-of-the-art auditorium embodies Apple's commitment to excellence in design and presentation. From its sleek minimalist aesthetics to its cutting-edge audiovisual capabilities, the theater provides a captivating stage for the unveiling of Apple's latest breakthroughs. Complementing the grandeur of the Steve Jobs Theater are the communal pod spaces dispersed throughout the campus like nodes in a network. These inviting hubs serve as incubators for collaboration and community interaction, where ideas flow freely and innovation thrives, whether for impromptu meetings, brainstorming sessions, or casual conversations over coffee. These dynamic spaces foster a culture of teamwork and camaraderie among Apple's diverse workforce. Fueling the spirit of collaboration further are the 7 cafes strategically scattered across the campus. More than just culinary hubs, these vibrant eateries serve as gathering spots where colleagues come together to recharge, refuel, and reconnect. With menus curated to cater to diverse tastes and dietary preferences, the cafes offer a culinary journey that mirrors the rich diversity of Apple's global workforce. In recognition of the importance of holistic well-being, Apple Park boasts a sprawling 100,000 square foot wellness center, where employees can nurture their physical, mental, and emotional health. Equipped with state-of-the-art fitness facilities, meditation rooms, and wellness programs, this sanctuary promotes balance and vitality among employees. On-site clinics provide convenient access to healthcare services, ensuring that employees receive the support they need to thrive, both personally and professionally. As custodians of the architectural masterpiece that is Apple Park, maintenance and facilities professionals shoulder a weighty responsibility. At the core of their responsibilities lies the mastery of diverse trades, from plumbing and carpentry to electrical systems and HVAC maintenance. With meticulous attention to detail and a commitment to excellence, these professionals execute their duties with precision, ensuring that every aspect of Apple Park's infrastructure operates flawlessly. Whether repairing a leaky faucet, fine-tuning the temperature controls, or overseeing the setup of event spaces, their expertise is indispensable to maintaining the functionality and aesthetics of the campus. The public-facing nature of Apple Park elevates the importance of high standards in maintenance and facility management. As a global showcase of design, innovation, and corporate excellence, the campus serves as a magnet for visitors, dignitaries, and media representatives. Every interaction, every impression is a reflection of the Apple brand, underscoring the need for immaculate presentation and unparalleled service. Effective communication emerges as another cornerstone of success for maintenance and facility professionals at Apple Park. In a dynamic environment where events, renovations, and building impacts are commonplace, clear and timely communication is paramount, whether disseminating information about scheduled maintenance, guiding visitors to their destinations, or addressing inquiries from employees. Effective communication fosters transparency, minimizes disruptions, and enhances the overall experience of Apple Park stakeholders. Maintenance and asset management at a facility as intricate and expansive as Apple Park demands a sophisticated approach that prioritizes coordination, efficiency, and alignment with the company's core values. With its sprawling grounds, innovative architecture, and diverse amenities, Apple Park stands as a testament to the marriage of design brilliance and operational excellence, requiring meticulous attention to detail in its upkeep. Central to the success of maintenance and asset management at Apple Park is a culture of collaboration and efficiency. Across departments and disciplines, teams work in concert to address the diverse needs of the facility, from routine maintenance tasks to strategic asset management initiatives. By fostering a culture of open communication, mutual respect, and shared purpose, Apple ensures that its workforce is empowered to tackle challenges with agility and innovation. In the digital age, powerful maintenance and asset management software emerge as indispensable tools for managing a facility of Apple Park's magnitude effectively. Platforms like Fractal One provide comprehensive solutions for scheduling maintenance tasks, tracking assets, managing work orders, and analyzing data to optimize performance. With real-time insights and predictive analytics, such software enables maintenance teams to proactively identify issues, allocate resources effectively, and minimize downtime, ensuring the seamless operation of critical systems and infrastructure. Maintenance and asset management software align with Apple's commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship by optimizing energy use, reducing waste, and prolonging the lifespan of assets. These tools help minimize the facility's ecological footprint while maximizing operational efficiency and cost-effectiveness. In conclusion, Apple Park stands as a testament to the power of visionary leadership, innovative design, and meticulous maintenance. It serves not only as a corporate headquarters, but as a symbol of inspiration and possibility for generations to come. As we marvel at the seamless integration of technology and nature, let us also acknowledge the dedication and expertise of the maintenance and asset management professionals who uphold the standards of excellence that define Apple Park. If you enjoyed learning about the intricacies of Apple Park and the efforts behind its maintenance, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on architecture, technology, and innovation. Your support enables us to continue sharing stories of extraordinary achievements and groundbreaking ideas. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.